So we have started the hike to Kataldhar. It's a trail, it's not a hike, but the scenery, like usual in monsoon in Lonavala, it's very beautiful. हाँ देखा ना, it's really nice. So Kataldhar is a waterfall in Lonavala. It's a 3-kilometer hike from Della's adventure. So in case you plan to come, keep Della's adventure, park somewhere nearby, and then you can hike. It's a nice forest, and we have a guide. नाव काय तुझं? ओमकार. ओमकार आणि तुझं? आकाश. आकाश. आकाश आणि ओमकार आम्हाला रस्ता दाखवतात. Finally it's raining. Rain, yeah. विकास मेरे साथ है. हम लोग विंड शीटर के पैसे वसूल रहे हैं. Finally it's raining on the hike. The view is nice. It's foggy right behind us. So you take a left from this spot to go to the Kataldhar Waterfall. Thankfully there is a board over here and there is a little jam as well, which is expected. We have taken the turn to the Kataldhar Waterfall from the main road. Seems like a nice forest trail. Doesn't seem that difficult, but certain patches could be a little slippery. So we have entered a fairly dense foliage. What you're seeing there is Rajmachi fort. असं आमचे हे गाईड लोकांनी सांगितलं. हाय बोला. This is one of the most, I think, enigmatic waterfalls that you'll see around Lonavala. This is Vipin and Ashish. This is Vikas. It's been a fruitful trek. Let's see what's in store for us next. Yes. It's a proper smacking. So, climbing back up to the starting point. It's been a good trek. Now, this is a little taxing physically, going back up after going down, but worth it.